Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope everyone's had a great week. Hope you have a great weekend. We're going to use the Murica razor here. In this, we have a fresh Bolzano blade. We're using the Pro 48 by Omega for the brush. That's the lather that we built with this brush. I don't know what this is, honestly. I have boxes and boxes of samples, probably like definitely 5, possibly 6 boxes full of samples. The specific sample that's in here was part of a package that I received, I think from either Alex or LP, 2-3 years ago. Let me start lathering. I do have some pre-shave on. This is the PAA Cube. But many years ago, I received a box. And it had probably 15 to 17 samples in there, and they were all numbered. And a piece of paper came with that, and basically had, number 1 is this, number 2 is, because there were small samples, here, small samples, and they're labeled. Anyway, I've lost that piece of paper with all of the scents and artisans, so I apologize. But this was number 11, and yeah, I don't know what it is. It's a citrus forward scent. I know that. It did lather up fairly nicely. I think it is tallow. Other than that, citrus forward, I do get a little bit of lemon lime. Yeah, so it's good. It's good. I possibly feel a little tingle from menthol. Definitely welcomed. So yeah, and as you can see, it's built a very nice lather. So cool. Let's get to it. We're gonna finish off today with some Thayers. This is the cucumber and some English leather. So we'll know if this is a bad shave or not. So English leather is like loaded with alcohol. So if you have a bad shave, anyway. So not really any big news. From Nightwatch Soap Company, we do plan on releasing a fall, probably 2 fall scents. One will be fairly soon. And one will be probably mid to late October. So that's that. As far as my life, just been super busy. Obviously, I haven't uploaded very much to YouTube. I think it's been a month today since my last upload. So, it is what it is. So. I hope everyone's doing well on the other side of this camera. The goatee, I've trimmed it probably 4 or 5 times over the past 3 months that I've been growing it. I keep going back and forth of I want to let it grow out, and then I don't. And in this area here and in this area here, both sides of my chin, it gets super thick and dense, and it's like wiry bristle that tangles. And I do brush it. I have 3 different combs. This one sits in this bathroom. I have one in the other bathroom, and I have one in my work bag, which is with me all the time, all day while I'm at work. So I'm always covered. I always comb it, and I don't know. It annoys me enough to where I want to get get it trimmed. I trim it, and then I'm like, man, why didn't I just wait a couple more weeks, or whatever. I don't know. I don't know how I'm feeling about it, truthfully. I may shave it off soon. Don't know. Also, I did, in an unrecorded shave, I did kind of cut in a little too close with the DE right here. So what I've been doing, instead of like getting super close, you'll see, is I'll wait until I finish my shave. I'll kind of like push the hair up and in towards itself, and then I'll get my straight and just do like the final look, like right here. See? There's a lot left there, and this is the actual line here, so like all this can go. But I don't like doing it too much with the DE. I like to do it with the straight, just done. And I don't have to worry about anything. So I had well, I still have, I don't know if you saw the blood, I'm sure, but I have like a bump right there. I had an ingrown hair. I picked the ingrown hair out, then it got infected. I've been using some antibiotic ointment on it, so it's much better than it was just 3 days ago. But yeah, it's gonna bleed. It is what it is. We'll just do a 2-pass here. The Bolzano blade, in my opinion, I've said this since I first tried Bolzano blades. They're not for me. I know I'm fairly certain they're Italian. I'm Italian, but I don't know. I'm just not a fan of Bolzano blades. I feel like for my whiskers, they're just not sharp enough. Very tuggy. I want to say I have a few more that I need to get through. Yeah, so waste not, want not. I'll use it if I have it, and that's just how I am. Even if I have to suffer through it slightly. I mean, as if this is suffering. You get what I'm saying, though. Shaving with a razor, I don't like. It's not blade. Not suffering, but. Yeah, going up against the grain like that, though. Not ideal for my skin. Actually, and this is a brand new, where did I put the packaging? This is a brand new blade. I just took it out of the pack, the 5-pack, and took the sleeve off. So, and it's still tugging. I think I only bought a 10-pack. I bought 2 5s. So luckily I don't have too many more. I didn't buy a 50 or 100, so that's good. But I don't know. What are your thoughts? There's not many blades that I really dislike. If I had to use this for the rest of my life, I would probably just strictly go with a straight razor instead of this. I could power through it like I just did. It's not gonna kill me to do that. It'll kill my skin. Like, I can already feel the irritation, so I know that this English leather is not gonna be fun. But also, like I said, waste not, want not. I'm gonna use the rest of them unless somebody wants them. I don't mind. I'll send them out. I think I said that in the shave before. That was for the Tiger Platinums, though. Now those are blades that I will never use again. Tiger Platinums. I think there's a little tiger on the actual package, the actual sleeve, and I want to say it's a gray package, a gray sleeve. I'll never use those again. That was a rough. And I tried multiples from what I was sent. I'm pretty sure Alex sent me those. I tried multiples of them from the pack, and they were all just extremely tuggy. And I think on that video as well, I had several people tell me that their experience was the same. So there's the Hazel made by witches. Is that what CBD said? Chris Bailey. Hope he's doing all right. Hope his mom and everybody's doing well, you know. I always liked his videos. I didn't catch, I think he uploaded 7 a week or 6 a week. I may have caught 2 of those every single week. I mean, you know, it's a lot of videos to watch, and especially with my own stuff and whatnot. But yeah, I always enjoyed the videos I did watch, you know. So he was always a straight shooter, which is what I aspire to be, and you know, I know he got a lot of grief for that sometimes, but well, I say a lot of grief, not really a lot of grief from like you and I, but some people, and so, you know, it is what it is. English leather. All right, let's burn our face off. I can smell the alcohol, but you can also smell that. It's like a musky, aromatic leather. It's very pleasant. I don't know if they have any soaps with that scent. Let's go with some more. That burn wasn't too bad. A lot better than I expected. Probably due to the witch hazel going on prior, if I had to guess. The scent though is lovely. I would definitely say this is a masculine scent. I don't think my wife likes it. It's not something that she enjoys. But, and you know, with most of my aftershaves, you could tell, like, I've had this for many years, and I don't use a whole lot. You know, I'm not using this in a month if I use it 30 days straight. I probably only use this 7, 8, 9 times. So it's gonna be around for many, many years. Yeah, I really do enjoy the scent. So, all right, guys, let me kind of go over what we've used, and we can kind of tell I still have that. I got a little nick there too. Mystery soap. I really don't know what it is. It was a pleasant soap. I created the lather, then I rinsed out the bowl. That's why it's wet in there. But don't know what it is. Nice citrus scent. We use the America with a Balzano. Tossing that Balzano as soon as I turn off that camera. I have my little blade bank. I emptied this out probably, I don't know, I want to say maybe 4 or 5 months ago. It was definitely this year, 2023. And I counted the blades. I had, well, shoot, now I don't really remember. It was over 200 DE blades. And then I had, I want to say just under 50, like 47, 48 of the split DEs, the single edge, or you make them single edge. And then I had probably like 20 different gem style razors. Why do you care? You don't. I'm just telling you what I had in there. That's all. So I probably only have 10 to 12 in there now. 13 after I put the Balzano in there. Finished off with witch hazel and English leather. Beautiful shave. Really, really nice, actually. I don't like the tugging, but other than that, I like the scent, and it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. Pro 48 for the brush. All right, guys.